Oh my god, it just that was a quick spike. That was a quick spike, but we are trading against the spikes right now, guys. We are trading against the spikes right now. I'm going to show you guys how this indicator works for scalping. All right, if you want to be scalping the market, you don't want to be catching spikes. Let's assume that you open your chart and you see that the market is not in the direction that permits you to be catching spikes, but then you have seen clear opportunities to be buying. That means to be going against the spikes. All right, you could still make money from this, guys. You could still make a lot of money from this. All right, so you just have to know when to place a buy entry. This is for crash markets anyways. You have to know when to place a buy entry when you're trying to buy the crash markets. This strategy works for all of the crash assets. Okay, crash 300, crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, so you just have to know when exactly to take your trade, guys. I'm going to show you guys how it works. This is an indicator that I have shown you previously on how it works for catching of spikes, guys. So here I want to be showing you how it works for trading against spikes. That means just scalping the market and taking profit for yourself, right? So first off, I like to always show you guys the truth. I like to always tell you guys the truth. You need to see the market direction for yourself. You need to see that price had come to your support level where you want to be buying for. Remember I told you on the other video that if you want to be buying the crash market, you want to be, if you want to be scalping, you want to be catching spikes, you want to be catching spikes, you need to be selling. That's for the crash market. But if you want to be scalping, in this case, you want to be buying. That means you want to be buying from support. All right, if you want to be catching spikes, you want to be selling from resistance. Take note, if you want to be catching spikes, you want to be selling from resistance. But if you want to be scalping, all right, you want to just take a quick trade, catch some candlesticks and leave the market before it spikes, you want to be buying from support. Okay, so it is obvious that on the 1 hour time frame, price had come to the support level here. You can see that price usually just keeps bouncing back off around this level. All right, so it came, bounced back up, came down again, bounced back up, and then came down again and then bounced back up. This time around it broke this level, guys. It broke this level, all right, and then it's going up to this other level, right? Soon as it broke this level and retested that level, that's where we took the trade. Okay, so let me just quickly show you guys what I'm talking about on a lower time frame. All right, so you see, this is our SL. This is where we want to be leaving the market should it go wrong. All right, but we entered the market after this after price had retested this area and then it's pushing back upwards. I didn't meet it at this level. I would have entered right at this level, but I met it around here and I still took my shots, and we are in good profit right now. Myself and my VIP members, we are in good profit right now, guys. Before I continue, just do well to join our Telegram group. All right, it is free. The description of this video has the link, so just go to the description of this video and join our free Telegram. My WhatsApp number is going to be there also in case you want to enroll in our forthcoming mentorship program. You want to do anything, you want to have clarity on anything at all, you can just hit me up on WhatsApp, guys. So yeah, we are here on this trade. Okay, we are here on this trade right now, and this is where we decide that we want to be leaving the market should it go wrong. All right, but it has so far so good been going in our direction, and this is where we want to exit some positions from. And we have the second target up above up here at this other level. All right, we have the second one up at this other level. It's still going in our direction, guys. It's still going, guys. So soon as you know the market direction, you have seen that price has come to your support and you are sure that it's going to be going back up. How do you get to know that it's going to be moving back upwards? That's where you get to use your indicators, guys. But of course, before you get to the point where you use your indicators, you want to see that the market is actually the candlesticks are actually telling you the same thing. Okay, so from the 4 hours time frame, if you had checked from the 4 hours time frame, you switch to the 1 hour time frame down to the lowest time frame. All right, you don't need to skip any time frame. Go down to the lowest time frame and check all of them to see that you are getting bullish momentum on these candlesticks. All right, on all of the candlesticks. All right, so you can notice that on the 1 hour time frame, price just kept printing the bullish movement. All right, it just kept printing the bullish movement. The same thing happened here, except for this one that spiked and then still that was just a retest though. All right, you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, price just kept pushing upwards. All right, it just kept pushing upwards. That means the buyers were dominant in the market. Okay, the buyers had dominated the market. So yes, this is a good sign. And then switch to the 1 minute time frame and look out for stuff like this. You can see that, excuse me, sorry about that, you can see that price, when it got to this point, that's when it started pushing upwards, right? Remember when I told you that if price gets to this point, if you are trying to buy the boom market, you're trying to catch spikes on the boom market, it spikes, right? That is exactly what happens when price comes to this level, right? When it comes to this point, that means the black line here gets to touch the last blue line here, and then it starts pushing back upwards. Okay, you can see it happened here. When it got to this point, it started pushing back upwards, and then it spiked a little around here. Since it got to this point, it spiked a little, and then it started pushing back upwards. Okay, so that is enough sign for you to know that the market is going to be buying. That was another little spike. It has nothing on us, guys. We are in good profits, guys. They are in good profit. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the indicator settings, right? So you just have to have your relative strength index and your Bollinger Bands. These are just the two indicators that is doing magic on this market for us, guys. So you just have the RSI should be period 14 applied to close, levels should be 25 and 75, and that's just what you need. That's just what you need. Okay, for the pixels, you can see, you can just use any color of your choice. And then for the Bollinger Bands, you can see we have period 34, shift 0, deviations is just 2 applied to close, and there is no point for levels on this one. All right, you just simply click done, and you have your chart looking like this. All right, so whenever price comes, whenever the black line here, whenever it touches the last blue line here, you should be expecting price to be moving back upwards, especially if every other condition that I listed had been met, right? Especially if you could use your eyes, your naked eyes, you can see that the market has gone to your support level on the higher time frame. All right, you need to always mark out your support level. Your support level are areas where price is likely to go back up from. Let's say price was going downwards. If it gets your support, it is likely to push back upwards from. So how do you know the key supports? You do it on a higher time frame. You look out for those areas where price consistently reverse from multiple times, right, around the same area. That's how you get to know that this is a strong support level. Right, so just hit me up on my WhatsApp. The link is going to be on the description of this video. Also, do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. If you need clarifications, just hit me up. I'm going to be there to attend to you guys. All right, I'll see you guys on another video. Guys, we are milking this. The VIPs are eating. All right, my VIP members are eating. You can see we are already on so much profit already. This is the second trade of the day. We've been milking step index. This is actually the third trade of the day, guys. We made money from step index. We made money from VIX 25 this morning, and boom, we are on C300 right now. We're scalping, guys. A lot of money can be made from this market, trust me, guys. You just have to know what you're doing.